How to delete TikTok followers quickly. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, launch your TikTok application, then go to your profile, then tap on your followers. Since I do not have any follower, I cannot show you the exact process, but I will tell you what to do. So on the right side of your followers username, there will appear a three dot line. You just have to tap on that and an option for removing follower will appear. Simply tap on that and you will get rid of that follower easily. But if you want to remove all the followers you have at once, simply go to this menu bar, then settings and privacy, then tap on report a problem. Then tap on chat with us. This is the new feature. Then write I want to remove all my followers. And then rest is upon them. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.